Hi everyone, I welcome you all to Shadowskin Automated Car Parking System. Parking is a key component of every transportation program. The city has addressed many parking problems associated with educational institutions, entertainment uses, and religious. The Department of Transportation is conducting a more focused review of parking management programs, including options for use in residential neighborhoods. The main parking issues are inadequate information for motorists, insufficient use of existing parking capacity, excessive automobile use, economic, environmental, and aesthetic impacts of parking facilities, parking spaces that are inconvenience, difficulties with parking regulation and pricing, inadequate pricing methods, lack of sufficient parking at event size, low parking turnover rate. So in this video, we will see the difficulties with parking regulation and its pricing. To ensure smart parking in cities, an automated paying machine is designed. With the help of this machine, the user can pay only for the time that he had used the slot. Parking can be improved by many methods. Some are: remove off street parking requirements, charge the right prices for on street parking, spend the parking revenue to improve public services on the metered streets. Since there are many vehicles on road today, this system should be implemented as soon as possible. With the help of this system, no manpower is required to collect the price from the users. Many require motorists to prepay based on the maximum amount of time that they may be parked and the price structure used at a particular parking space. As a result, motorists often end up by paying for the time that they don't actually use. If they guess wrong, they face a fine. Our system will bring a solution for this problem. Advantages of our system: automated car parking machines that accept only cash and able to calculate duration and payment according to desired rate. The system currently charges 5 rupees per hour and the hour is simulated as a second in the simulation for convenience. The system is able to calculate and deliver balance if inserted notes exceed the required amount. This system also accepts Visa. As I conclude that this system will be very useful for the users. Regulations and fees may apply at certain times, but not others. Parking subsidies may be provided to some users, but not others. Now I will explain you the circuit. I will show you the components that I had used in the circuit first. Arduino board, LCD display, 9-volt battery, 5 push buttons, 2 DC motors, 2 resistors, and breadboard. I had used a 5 message palette so that the user can understand the circuit more clear. Now I will explain you the code that I had used for this project. As include liquid crystal.h, which is used to initialize the LCD display. Liquid crystal LCD 12115432. These are the pins that I had initiated. Int value is equal to 0, int timer 1 is equal to 0, timer 2 is equal to 0, timer 3 equal to 0, stop is equal to 0, duration equal to 0, go is equal to 0, float payment is equal to 0, float total, float balance. Void setup, I had declared pin modes here, then digital write in 4 pins, LCD.begin 16,2, then the LCD default prints press and collect your ticket. I have set cursor 0, 0, then 0, 2. Void loop, if digital read 10, that is 10th pin, if the push button at connected to 10th pin is pressed, then while digital read of 10 equal to 0, delay I had given, LCD had been cleared, LCD.print welcome, then LCD.set cursor 0, 2, enjoy your day. It prints welcome and enjoy your day. Then timer 1 is equal to millis per thousand, digital read of 7, 0, digital read of 6, 1, then it prints. When the button is pressed again, it displays please enter your ticket. Then if digital read of 10 equal to low, that is if 10th pin is pressed, now timer 2 is calculated, timer 2 equal to millis per thousand. Then duration, the total duration that the vehicle had parked is equal to timer 2 minus timer 1. Total duration is equal to duration into 5. Since we are calculating in hours, 1 into 5 per hour, we are getting 5 rupees from the user. So we had given total is equal to duration into 5. Then LCD dot begin 16 comma 2. Now LCD dot print payment, and it displays the payment that he had to pay. Then LCD dot print balance is executed. It displays the amount paid by the user. Then the cursor is set at 10 comma 2. Now stop is equal to millis plus 10,000. Now if the payment is less than the total, then the LCD prints timeout and the payment is rejected. If it continues again, it displays please collect your ticket and balance, it also displays. Then the user has to press and collect his ticket. Then he had to try again the same logic to pay his amount. While payment is less than total and millis is less than stop, then digital read of 0 is equal to low. The 0 button indicates that the push button that we have placed for 1 rupee, so payment is equal to payment plus 1. So when we press this button, 1 rupee will be added in the balance. The next digital read of 8 equal to low. In this case, see the payment is equal to payment plus 10, so that this is a 10 rupees button. So when it is pressed, it adds 10 rupees to the logic. Then LCD dot begin 16 comma 2. LCD dot print visa. If visa is selected, it displays processing payment and will tell us to wait for few seconds. Then it displays payment is successful and have a nice day. Later it shows again press and collect your ticket. If the payment is greater than total, then balance is equal to payment minus total. The amount that we had paid minus the total amount that we have to pay. It displays collect balance and informs the user to collect the balance from the machine. Then again the default condition is printed on the LCD display. Press and collect your ticket. That's all about the code. If you need the code, comment below. I will share with you. Now we will start simulate the project. Now check that the LCD display prints press and collect your ticket, which is our default conditions. Then these 5 push buttons are used for particular reasons. The first push button is used, push this button to collect and insert your ticket. Then the next is 10 rupees, 5 rupees, 1 rupee and visa. Now consider 3 users. The first user named user1 comes and presses this ticket. It displays welcome, enjoy your stay. Now he goes for his work. Then he returns after some time to the slot. Now he is going to press the button. Push this button to collect and insert ticket. Now he inserted his ticket. Now the payment is 50 rupees and the balance is 0 since he had not paid any amount. Now he is going to pay with 10 rupees. Now see the display timeout payment cancelled since he had taken more time to pay. So the system displays timed out. Now again he is trying to insert his ticket. He inserts, it displays welcome, enjoy your stay. Then again he had to enter his ticket. He tries to enter his ticket again. Now it displays payment 30 rupees and balance is 0 since he had not paid any amount. Now he is paying with 10 rupees. Tries, it displays successful, have a nice day. Now the user 2 comes to the slot. He presses the button. It displays welcome, enjoy your stay. He goes for his work. Then he again returns back. He enters his ticket. It displays payment is equal to 25. Since he had no change, he is going to pay with 10 rupees thrice. He paid 30 rupees and it displays collect balance 5 rupees. It requests the user to collect and displays have a nice day. Now user 3 comes to the slot. He likes to park his vehicle. He presses the button, welcome and enjoy your stay. Then again he comes back and presses. Now payment is equal to 20 rupees. He is paying with Visa. He pressed the Visa button. Now it displays Visa processing payment and requests the user to wait and successful. Have a nice day. Press and collect your ticket. Default condition. See that the DC motor first, when the button is pressed to collect the ticket, rotates clockwise direction so that the vehicle may enter into the slot. Then when it is requesting the user to for payment, it rotates in anti-clockwise direction so that the user can take his vehicle out of the slot. I am sure that this project will be helpful for the users so that they can pay only for the time that they had used the slot. Thank you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon so that you may get notified whenever I post the videos. Thanks for watching.